Believe in yourself. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine.
Hello. So 17 days. Let's read today's question. A group of 5 students booked a badminton court for 2 hours. They took turns to play. Every student played an equal amount of time. At any time, there were 4 students playing on the court. On average, how long did each student play on the court? So for this, let's look at the badminton court. Okay, so at any time, there were 4 students, right, playing on the court. They booked the court for 2 hours, which means at each spot will be 2 hours, right? So 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, which tells us that the total possible playing time would be 8 hours. Okay, so 2 hours, there are 4 people, total possible playing time, 8 hours. This 8 hours is being shared among 5 students, right? And everyone played an equal amount of time. So what we need to do is just to take the total playing time of 8 hours divided by 5, shared by 5 of them. So 8 divided by 5, we get 1.6 hours. So 8 divided by 5, we get 1.6 hours. That's it. That's the end of this question. I'll see you tomorrow.